Dog, gotta ride for my
Fucking with that nigga Cook on my man here.
Dog, I ride for my niggas out the stage, man.
Hey.
Niggas tryna bust at me.
Yeah.
Oh, I got something for them niggas
dog. Right?
Man.
Hey. Niggas tryna
bust at me.
Hey, fuck, now handle this show, young. Now you got the jump.
But I got something for them niggas. Remember in the days I was in the cut, man, with a bitch rolling up a blunt. Niggas got a fake and came with the pound.
Right?
Pulled out both of them like with the rounds.
Damn.
Man, that nigga ain't about to fake it.
No.
Nigga trying to get rich, being patient. Yeah, my daughter too, she in daycare.
Right.
Her mama fucking living off welfare. Like that ain't fair.
Right.
About to get this guap. Nigga got 5 stacks in the fucking guap.
Damn.
Got that shit chillin' in the shoebox.
What?
And my Nike checks with the shoebox.
Damn.
Nigga, I be chillin' all blue me. Nigga, I be faithfully blowin' trees.
Damn.
I ain't a stingy nigga, you can hit that.
Right.
Fuck it, get to it, we can lit
Hey,
that.
look, stay scheming. Look, now I ride for my niggas, dog. I ride for my niggas, dog. Look, say, hey, look, stay scheming. Right. Niggas tryna get at us.
I'm cool.
Fuck that, I guess it's Cook on that microphone. Fuck that, not about that, leave that life alone. Fuck that, microscopic like a molecule. More so, dorsal, the niggas, they will follow you. Twitter, man, they follow you. Niggas need validation, no license come through. I don't need participation from the crowd. We blowing loud, niggas in the shade and shroud. Now we come through, give a fuck about what's not allowed. Mark Echo, hear the echo from the hecklers. Thought I heard the seagull free fall from the hecklers. From the heights, get it right, that's Columbia. Maybe Lincoln, Capitol Heights. Niggas, what we done to you. Fuck that, man. Niggas fucking no money and shit, man. Cookado, you know what I'm saying? Go fucking on the iTunes, nigga, man. Riding leather seats and shit. You already hit, man. 2012. Look, if I was y'all, I'm gonna give you my best advice.
I ride for my niggas.
Talk to your old head.
Fucking die for my niggas.
You need loud ass weed.
Go to go for 5 for my niggas.
Right.
Pull the ski mask down and ride for my niggas. Fuck the bullshit I done tried for my niggas. Fuck it, done die for my niggas.
Damn.
Hungry as a bitch with my niggas. Give my niggas everything to eat for my niggas. Fucking gas raining with my niggas. Take off my jacket, take this for my niggas.
What?
Fucking man, the beef shit, send it to me, my nigga. Eat it up, cook it up in a jiff, my nigga. Like it's quick, my nigga. Flipping pancakes, nigga, bricks, my niggas. Oh, I'm sorry, that's some pies. Didn't mean to lie. Got it from my mommy and my daddy did ride. Man, back in the days, man, my dad had the 5 and my mama had the 6. Man, called at the fucking Smith and West. Goddamn, a nigga at his lowest, but I'm feeling them my motherfucking best. Cause I ride for my niggas. Goddamn, ain't nothing to me. Gotta think and pull the trigger. Goddamn, it's no motherfucking question if a nigga touch
you should be paying for this.
Gonna learn his lesson. Because I ride for my niggas. Fuck it, how can I do it? I just figured for my niggas. Fuck it, I got 5, I give it to my nigga.
Damn.
Fuck it, I'm down to 1, I spend it on my nigga. That's my nigga.
Real live shit, you already hit, man. Cotto, you know what I'm saying? K-A-350
Space Cadet, easy, trust and believe. Take a bitch for sheezy.
Space Cadet, that's the job. I like that shit.